The average price of tuition and fees at a public four-year college university increased from $1,600 in 1987 to $7,500 in 2012. Calculate the relative change in price from 1987 to 2012 and compare it to the overall rate of inflation as measured by the Consumer Price Index. Find the relative price and change in price. The relative change is the absolute change, the amount of change, divided by the reference value. In this case here, the relative change, the amount of change is going to be the new value minus the reference value divided by the reference value, or the price in 2012 minus the price in 1987 divided by the price in 1987. So the price in 2012 was $7,500. The price in 1987 was $1,600. The difference would be $5,900 divided by $1,600. It gives me 3.69 as a decimal, or 369%. Rate of inflation here. The overall rate of inflation from one year to next is usually defined as the relative change in the Consumer Price Index. So the change in the Consumer Price Index from one year to another year. Okay. In this case, we're looking at the relative change in the Consumer Price Index going from 2012 to 1987. And we have the Consumer Price Index here. So 229 minus 113.6 divided by 113.6 gives me 1.02, or 102%. So the overall rate of inflation was 102%. Since the average price and fees increased by 369, while the overall rate of inflation was 102%. The increase in the average price of tuition was greater than the overall rate of inflation.